So Google event finally happened and I'm so excited. जैसे आपको पता है that I use my Google Pixel 5a regularly on the side and it's a big upgrade for me, upgrading to the next Google Tensor technology smartphone. Let's unbox it. First of all, thank you so much Google and क्या मजेदार पैकिंग है. So Google event happened on Tuesday, October 19. That date is mentioned here. The time is mentioned here. So amazing. On the top of that, weather भी predict किया हुआ है. And this shows from the presentation that Pixel's camera, the Tensor technology, works really well with people of color. वो box में काफी अच्छे से present किया गया है. And Pixel 6 Pro. Awesome. So here's a note for us introducing Pixel 6 Pro, completely redesigned, fully loaded. And आपको पता होगा, this is one of the best Pixel Google has made and I'm super excited. So ये रहा Pixel and let's unbox it. No use of plastic once again. क्या बात है, gold, awesome. Feels really premium. It seems like glass, to be honest. And finally the paper wrap. Let's turn it on. I can feel the vibration when this ball bounces. Maza aa raha hai yaar. Anyways, in the meantime, let's see what else we get in the box. So charging brick nahi hai. So this is the Type-C cable and this is the OTG adapter ताकि आप pen drive USB डाल सको in your Pixel. I actually love the golden color, but the camera bump is actually very noticeable. It gives a unique texture and कोई भी easily पहचान लेगा that this is a Pixel from a distance easily. But if you see the bump is actually thicker than the iPhone 13 Pro Max bump as well. It definitely looks like that. And अगर आप इसे किसी flat surface पे रखोगे, if you put it on a flat surface, the phone will not move. And on the top of that, even if I put a case on it, case का design भी काफी अच्छा है. Then it will add the case they have provided thanks to Freelanta. So the case is actually protecting the display as well as the camera as well because it's adding an extra edge. तो उसके बाद भी the phone rests at the same level. The first thing that I noticed was that this phone is very light. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा हल्का है if you compare with iPhone 13 Pro Max. ये 300 ग्राम का डब्बा लगता है, but this phone has edge-to-edge display, but still keeps up with the weight. That's incredible. And I really wished if the power button was below the volume walker because जिनके हाथ छोटे, if your hands are smaller, it might be difficult. So display wise, brightness में या फिर quality में, I think it's very similar to iPhone. But since the edges are very thin, so it's kind of giving a better video watching experience, at least on the Pixel 6 Pro. Not sure about Pixel 6 because उसकी edges थोड़ी सी मोटी हैं. But according to me, when I looked at the cost difference of Pixel 6 versus Pixel 6 Pro, $300. So that's why I think कि Pixel 6 India में लेना better होगा. And I will be honest, like there are no plans of Google to launch in India. जैसे कि Pixel 5a India में officially launch नहीं हुआ था. It got launched on Amazon India. I know there are so many Pixel fans in India. मुझे कई लोगों से email आई थी. I saw that Pixel 5a, the one I reviewed last time. तो ये इंडिया में लॉन्च नहीं है ऑफिशियली, बट इफ यू गो टू Amazon right now, Amazon India, so वहाँ पे देखोगे this is available for 42,000 rupees. पर MRP वहाँ पे लिखी हुई है इसकी 73,000 rupees. ये $450 का US में लॉन्च हुआ था Pixel 5a and MRP 73,000. This is not officially by Google, someone else who is trying to sell on Amazon India, but still it's super expensive. तो अगर आप estimate भी करो how much Google 6 Pro and 6 will cost in India, I think around 90,000 plus for 6 Pro and around 60,000 plus for Pixel 6. तो अगर आप कंपेयर करो इंडियन मार्केट से जहाँ पे OnePlus 8 Pro, OnePlus Nord and all those prices are so competitive, तो उस price range में successful होना it could be difficult, but especially in US it's a great deal I think for $600 for Pixel 6. Not sure about Pixel 6 Pro for now. एंड इस बार पहली बार गूगल ने ऑन डिस्प्ले फिंगरप्रिंट सेंसर इंट्रोड्यूस किया है. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू माई टेस्ट, स्पीड टेस्ट मैंने किया Pixel 5a वर्सेस Pixel 6 Pro. It is very close. I think it's the fastest, one of the fastest on display fingerprint sensor I've ever seen. It's incredible. But the only thing is there's one extra step involved. आपको पहले screen पे tap करके you have to turn on the screen and then tap on the exact circle, then it will be on. So just half a second of difference, but otherwise it's really fast. Google has done something really creative with wallpapers. So जब आप wallpaper change करते हो, it can even change the theme of your icons. So अगर आप home screen पे देखोगे, currently I have white icons, before they were golden, but this is a better version. For example, अगर आप app launcher पे जाओगे, they are still of the default Google colors, but on the home screen you can at least see the wallpaper matching with the theme. That's kind of interesting. So here is the video mode on Google Pixel 6 Pro. So this is 1x. काफ़ी अच्छी light जा रही है camera में. Then if we switch to 0.7x, you can see the difference in the lighting. काफ़ी noise दिख रही है थोड़ी बहुत as compared to the wide angle lens. And then let's check out the 2x zoom. 2x zoom is kind of decent, but 4x in low light has a lot of noise. So let's try the action pan feature, the walker. And I'm gonna take a photo of him walking. अगर आप photo पे click करोगे, after processing, it's gonna have a motion effect in the background. अभी इतनी precise नहीं, I think my photo wasn't that good. This is before. Okay, this is okay. Left is before, right is after. थोड़ा सा buggy experience है, but left is before, right is after. तो तेरा face focus में है, but rest of your whole body is blurred and little bit shaky. But let's try one more time. एक बार और. Last photo, फिर इसके बाद done. 1, 2, 3. Walk it. Okay, let's try. So let's see processing कैसी हुई है. Root slow. Come on. Okay, this is really good. थोड़ा सा shake हो गया, but this photo from distance looks so good. And this photo, okay, this photo is also good. No, थोड़ा सा head पे. Yeah, this is good. Yes, this is the one. इस पे लग रहा है कि पूरा background में motion है. This is the best photo, right? ये वाला बस में तेरा हेड थोड़ा सा फोटोशॉप पे ठीक करना पड़ेगा. So एक बार फिर से हो जाए कंपैरिजन ऑफ Pixel 6 Pro versus Pixel 5a. So the wide angle lens, जो मेन लेंस है Pixel 6 Pro का, according to Google it should accept 150% more light. तो अगर आप zoom करोगे मेरे face पे, you can see less noise on Pixel 6 Pro for sure. तो I think because of tensor technology, detailing का in terms of image काफ़ी डिफरेंस आया है. So once again दोस्तों, मैं दिखाना चाहता था from Pixel 6 Pro I was shooting with minimum light and मैं एस्ट्रोफोटोग्राफी भी ट्राई करना चाहता था, बट तारे नहीं है आसमान में. Now let me show you the 50 megapixel photos that I have taken with the main sensor. तो आप जितना मर्जी zoom करो, you will not lose the detail. अब मज़ेदार बात यह है कि अब using the magic tool, तो उसके लिए let's go to edit, then tools, and then magic eraser. And now eraser के through, if you'd like, I can remove this concessions in the background जो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. So let's make a background and मतलब select करोगे and it's gone. It's not very accurate, थोड़ा सा border रह गया, but still this image is kind of usable. And इस image में देखा जाए, if I want to erase this water bottle, let's see how accurate it is. It is still kind of accurate. यहाँ पे the image is very usable. You cannot actually see कि मैंने कुछ erase किया है. So that was kind of unique. And मैं अगर अपने आप को delete करना चाहता हूँ, I can still do that. I can just circle around myself and मैं खुद भी गायब हो सकता हूँ. That might not be that accurate, but still you can use that photo. Oh wow, microwave काफ़ी अच्छा है. Now after using Google 6 Pro after around 5-6 days, इतना तो मैं कह सकता हूँ कि because of tensor technology, the heating issues have reduced a lot. So because of Pixel 5a, it has Snapdragon processor. जब भी मैं कैमरा यूज़ करता था, after using camera for 30 to 40 minutes, the back of the phone या फिर camera used to heat up a lot. But now that's very minimum in Pixel 6 Pro. Thanks to tensor technology, I'm impressed. GPU performance is 370% faster. I wasn't able to test that so far, but I'll test in my future videos. But overall, I'm very happy with the decision. My favorite mode will be long exposure, क्योंकि जब भी आप ट्रेन के सामने होते, buses के सामने होते, that'll be very useful for some of amazing action shots just like the one I took with Arpit. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.